Can you shake, shake, shake? Two silly sisters. Shake, shake, shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Now you do it, Elise. You do it. So you can shake your head. Whoa! Look at all that red hair flying around. These two sisters are trying to imitate each other. You do it, Megan. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Whoa! She's doing it too. Shake, shake, shake. They're pretty silly. Maggie had her 9-month doctor checkup today. She's all healthy. Elise is 2.5 and she's a silly, silly girl. Can you do the shake, shake again? Whoa! Can you show Mama what you look like when you get a chill? Whoa! Can you do another shake, Megan? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You're pretty silly. You're pretty silly.